do 3 level 3 180 kW EV chargers. We're here at Mac Haik Pasadena. We've got one of the biggest EV installs going on in the state of Texas. Really excited. This is one location out of about 18 total that we've got going on right now. So we're doing a 24-inch wide trench, about 24 inches deep. And then after this, we'll take out the dirt, put the conduit in, call for inspection. Really big project we got going on here. The fun fact is we're gonna knock this out in about 3 weeks. We've got $2 million in construction projects going on right now. So let's go ahead and take a look. We actually had a gas line running parallel to where our trench was going to be, so we got to be really careful on the dig out. We've got our EV charger inside. This is a brand new 180 kW. This is going to be extremely exciting because it's top of the line technology. One of the biggest projects in Texas, if I had to guess. So let's go inside and we'll unravel the level 3 charger. We've got over 35 of these level 3s that are on order right now. We've got about half of them in. We've got near 100 level 2s, but this is the brand new 180 kW. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. An absolute monster. This thing weighs 1,200 pounds, dual port CCS1, an emergency stop. Fire marshal's a big fan of that. RFID reader for credit card or for RFID cards, and 6-inch tall by 9-inch wide LCD screen. This has been provisioned with EV Connect software. That's a big deal because that allows the Ford manufacturers to connect it to the Blue Oval network. This unit should charge most newer vehicles to 80%, anywhere from about 10 to 25 minutes. Depends on the software of the vehicle, depends on the newness of the vehicle. Really big ports here. The big thing that's really popular with these units is that you're able to wrap them just like you would wrap a car, making it look like a custom paint job. You can wrap the chargers so you can put the Ford manufacturer logo, Chevy manufacturer logo. If it's for a business park, you can put the business park or the mall's logo. Really looking forward to getting this one installed. We got a lot of locations. These have already been delivered. So we'll get back to you in the next video with the installation.